Hello students, I am Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Associate Professor Zoology, SPC GCA अजमेर। आज हम रेडिएशन पॉल्यूशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। Radioactive elements are used in therapies, electricity production, instrument formation etc. रेडियोएक्टिव एलिमेंट्स जो हैं वो थेरेपी में, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोडक्शन में और इंस्ट्रूमेंट फॉर्मेशन में यूज किए जाते हैं। They produce nuclear radiation which are harmful for animals and plants. न्यूक्लियर रेडिएशन प्रोड्यूस करते हैं जो हार्मफुल होते हैं एनिमल्स और प्लांट्स के लिए। Radiations are electromagnetic rays, photon, energy, radioactive nucleus. Light important for our life. Light is important for our life and it is also a type of radiation. Light is electromagnetic radiation, noise, microwave, X-rays, radio waves, heat, alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays. These are all radiations. Radiations are divided into two parts: electromagnetic, light and gamma, B particle. Non-ionizing radiations cannot strike out electron from orbit of atom or molecule are known as non-ionizing radiations. Example is microwave and radio waves. Low energy produce heat. Ionizing radiations can ionize atom or molecule. Photoionization and ionizing radiations. These are high energy particles: electron, proton, neutron, alpha and beta particles. B. Short wavelength electromagnetic waves like UV rays, ultraviolet and X-rays and gamma rays. Alpha particles. Nucleus of helium. Origin of alpha particles is from nucleus of helium. 2 protons and 2 neutrons are produced due to unstable radioactive molecule. Uranium-238, thorium-234 gives alpha particles. Penetration power of these is less, can stopped by paper. Beta radiations. Radioactive nucleus decay if electron and positron are released. Decay is beta decay. Electron and positron are small. Penetration power is more than that of alpha particles. Aluminium foil can stop these. Gamma rays. When excited molecule nucleus is in lowermost excited stage, gamma rays are produced. Wavelength 10 to the power minus 10 to 10 to the power minus 40. Penetration power is more than that of alpha and beta. Cobalt 60 is the source. Cobalt 60 27, nickel 60 28, nickel 60 28. From cobalt 60 27, nickel 60 28 is produced, and from nickel 60 28, nickel 60 28 is produced. These do less ionization, are responsible for mutation and burning. ये सेल्स में म्यूटेशंस के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं. Sources of radiation. Natural sources are cosmic rays coming from sky, electron, helium, nucleus, positron, neutron and gamma rays. Primary cosmic rays. NO2 and O2 collide with cosmic rays and produce secondary cosmic rays. Solar radiations. Sun is also the source of ionizing radiations, but they are negligible in comparison to other sources. Earth. In low amount, radioactive substances are present on Earth also. Radioactive potassium, uranium, thorium are the examples. Amount is decreasing with age. Radon. Radon is radioactive gas. Origin is R266. R266 is present with uranium and other isotopes of radon are also known. R222 is most stable. Half age is 3.8 days. Uranium is present in hills, stones and soil. Gas also present in atmosphere, enters body with breath. Background radiation source is earth. Source of radon. This is the cause of lung cancer, and after smoking chances of lung cancer increases. Radium, radon, polonium, solid deposits becomes in lungs. In house, stones secrete radon. So, aeration is must in houses. Man-made sources. X-rays, CAT scan, nuclear medicine, electron tube, TV, bioluminescent watches, smoke detectors, lantern mantle, fluorescent lamp starters. These are all man-made sources. Smoking, polonium-210 is given. This is nuclear waste, nuclear accidents, nuclear test and atomic bomb blast all cause radiation pollution. Nuclear factories, reactors, electricity houses, these are also cause of radiation pollution. People which are affected by radiations are air crew due to height, radiographer using X-rays, workers of nuclear reactors, workers engaged in nuclear medicines, researchers engaged in nuclear materials, nuclear remediation persons, X-rays and CAT scan persons, persons living in fallout areas. These are all people affected by radiations. Measurement of radiation. To measure radiations, three units are used: becquerel, BQ, Gray, GY, Sievert, SV. These are SI units. Roentgen, Curie, Rad, Ram are other units. BQ is named after scientist Antoine Henry Becque, 1852 to 1908. 1 BQ is IS raised to the power minus 1. 1 CI is equal to 3.7 into 10 to the power 10 BQ. Marie Curie, France scientist. Curie discovered polonium and radon in 1903. Gray absorbed quantity of radiation which is absorbed on the exposure of 1 joule per kilogram. British scientist L. H. Gray. It was named after British scientist L. H. Gray, 1905 to 1965. 1 RD is equal to 10 to the power minus GY. Sievert dose equivalent S unit. Rolf Sievert named this. Roentgen was named after Konrad Roentgen's honor. 1 REM is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus SV. Effect of radiation on living beings. Effect on cellular level. Cellular level, cell structure is altered in some cases. DNA damage and mutation. In some cases, DNA repair occurs, and in other cases, apoptosis and death is seen. Non-lethal mutation can cause cancer. Highly reactive free radicals are formed, and audience effect and bystander effect are also observed. 10 ml SV cannot be seen, and 0.5 to 1 SV can be seen. Effects are seen in other cases. Cancer rate increases, and in the Chernobyl case, thyroid cancer patients were maximum seen. High dose can cause leukemia, mammary gland cancer, bladder cancer, colon cancer, liver cancer, lung cancer, esophagus cancer, ovarian cancer, thyroid cancer, and multiple myeloma. Nuclear explosion. Accident in radioactive factory and treatment error can cause nuclear explosion, which are very harmful for human beings and other animals. Latent period. Latent period is the period between exposure and cancer development. Factors affecting are: first, dose of radiation. How much dose of radiation is there? It is known as hormesis. Sometimes it is beneficial radiation. L and T 1%. Population can have cancer. Second, duration of exposure is directly proportional to chances of cancer and harmful effects. Third, type of radiation. Which type of radiation is there? Fourth, organ exposed. Which organ is exposed to radiation? Fifth, body condition. What body condition is there? And last is age. It is more deleterious for aged person and children. Effect of ionizing radiation on ecosystem. Woodwell experiment. Woodwell scientists did one experiment. Source was cesium-137. 6 months, near vegetables were more affected, and after some time, distant vegetables were also affected. Cumulative effect: wilting of pine oak trees were observed. Strontium-90, iodine-131 caused cancer. Nuclear accident. Number 1. Civilian nuclear accidents. Military accidents. Buenos Aires, 23rd September 1983. Accidentally, fragmentation released and energy was released. 70 to 20 gray and persons died and some suffered from cancer. 29th March 1979, TMI, 3 meal accident, Island, Middletown, Pennsylvania, 12th December 1952, Ontario, Chalk River, NXR, uranium was released and many persons died and suffered from cancer. 24th May 1958, this accident was repeated. Now comes Chernobyl accident. 26th April 1985, Russia, Ukraine, Kiev. In Chernobyl, nuclear disaster took place. Causes were: RBMK reactor design was faulty. Good reactors when heated gives low energy, but faulty reactors when heated gives more energy. Coolant pumping was done without electricity. With diesel generator, reactor working increases 10 times more, but fuel rods melted and vapor pressure increased and exploded. Reactor, rods, tubes, roof of reactor all exploded. Oxygen entered speedily inside the reactor and it caught fire. 180 to 190 UO tons fragmented and released in environment. It was 95%, 55% I plus krypton plus xenon. Particles were 0.3 to 1.5 micrometer and 10 micrometer large. 95 ZR, 95 NB, 140 La, 144 Ce, neptunium, plutonium and minor actinide were there. Efforts to control damage. Fire extinguishers were used. People migrated to safe places. Radioactivity increases in Pripyat river. एक वहां पर नदी बहती है जिसमें रेडियो एक्टिविटी इंक्रीज हो गई. And it all entered in food chain, food web, bioaccumulation was there, soil became radioactive, animals became radioactive, meat became radioactive, all plants and animals, soil, water, all became radioactive. 63 lakh exposed to radioactive, more than 9,000 persons suffered from cancer, 9 children died due to cancer. Today also city is empty and named after reactor 4 sarcophagus mausoleum. Military accidents. Nuclear submarine, spaceship, nuclear ship accidents and radiation pollution. Nuclear fallout. Nuclear bomb explosion known as nuclear fallout, radioactive substances spreading in sky and nearby areas, U-235 and plutonium-239 caused nuclear fallout. Atomic and nuclear weapons are also cause of nuclear fallout. The place where explosion is done is known as ground zero. Stone turns into glasses. Median products also formed and spread beta and gamma rays. 1 kiloton 60 gram fragmentation products are formed. Disposal of nuclear waste. High level waste, low level waste, intermediate level waste. These all should be disposed of properly away from residential areas. Radiation protection should be there. Reactor should be away from residential colony. Protective bed should be used by workers. Nuclear waste should be disposed of properly. Ban should be there on nuclear explosion. Robotic hands and tongs should be used by workers. These are all about safe disposal of nuclear waste. Thank you.